Now, something that I'm just interested in, possibly doing a little test between the Mustang and the Corvette, just to see which one is louder.
They both sound good.
Yeah, they do both sound good, but
we'll check.
One is a larger diameter, I believe. This one has a larger X-pipe, so we're about to put them to the test. So he's gonna go ahead and pull up the Mustang, and we're gonna see which one sounds better, sounds louder. We're just gonna put them to the test.
Rev battle.
Let us know which one won in the comment section down below. Let me know which one you think sounds better. I don't know, I wasn't out here, I was inside, but it sounded awesome from the inside. They
both exhaust, man. Army Tricks does a great job with their exhaust.